All right,
Sure,
Shivani.
sure.
So, congratulations on your joining with Prism IP, Shivani.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. It's all because of you.
No, no, it's
I'm
all
really grateful
all your hard work
to
which has
your
finally paid.
teachings and IIPTA definitely for this. That has given me a little push to, really come through.
Okay, so you have joined the company. You have started working.
Right now, I'm working on the training period.
Okay,
So, yeah, my training period is currently going on in
okay,
Prism IPR.
okay. So tell me, Shivani, you completed your law degree, and after that, you decided to go into IPR field. So you decided it earlier, or how did this journey went for you?
Like this journey began for me right from the college
Okay,
because we were given an option to choose a specialization in the third year of my law degree.
okay,
So at that particular moment, I chose intellectual property rights as a specialization,
okay.
which really further helped me to know a little more about the field when it comes to a little more of theoretical knowledge.
Mm-hmm,
So that is how I was quite familiar with
mm-hmm,
the field.
mm-hmm,
And then, yeah, moving ahead, I did few internships in the IPR sector as well.
mm-hmm,
So which helped me, to really grasp about it and, make me believe within myself that, yeah, this is the field I really want to pursue after
mm-hmm.
completing my law graduation degree.
Okay. So after your graduation to this job which you're starting, were there some struggling days for you?
Yeah, I mean, ma'am, your voice is breaking.
So in between your from your college till this job which you have started now, were there any like struggling days for you in which you were really really struggling?
I mean, I would say being a batch of 2020 itself is a big struggle
Yeah.
because of the COVID pandemic. And I mean, I would not blame the pandemic as well, but
Hmm.
when it comes down to finding a job, I
Yeah.
think initial stage is very difficult for everybody. And
Hmm.
at that particular point, everybody needs a push.
Yeah.
So from when it comes down to college, a lot of placements are not given,
Mm-hmm.
and that's the real struggle students face at
Mm-hmm.
that particular moment, because obviously the number of seats are less, or maybe the jobs that are offered are not of our personal preferences. We would not want to pursue that.
Mm-hmm.
Practicality is really different when you graduate in
Mm-hmm.
comparison to, when we are studying subjects theoretically. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, there were a lot of difficulties. I mean, I kept sending CVs to a lot of firms,
Mm-hmm.
and getting responses from places was another difficult task which I faced, which was the most challenging thing, because yeah, we tend to approach to each and every possible opportunity, but
Absolutely.
getting a revert itself is the main challenge that we face after graduation.
So how did this program gave you the push which you are talking, that this give me a push? So what was your breakthrough point, I can say?
Yeah, for me, the breakthrough first was more, I would consider the practicality of the subjects
Mm-hmm.
which anybody or any law student will be taught in their law schools.
Hmm.
But when it comes down to the practicality, no law school or no teacher would really let you know that after reading those bare acts or after reading those sections, what is the real implementation, how do you really apply.
Hmm.
So the practicality has been the major challenge when it comes down to college.
Mm-hmm.
So no doubt this course has definitely helped me out, and you have been the sole guide throughout, to show me the way through how the practicality works, because when it comes to the job, you should know how to really do the things practically. So that's what is majorly the skill matters. And because theoretical knowledge everybody would have, so this skill has really been, the main important and the most lighting factor out here, which you have really helped me out.
No, no, it's all, it's a combined hard work. So I do my part, you do all your part, and it requires a lot of dedication and hard work from your end, which has finally, I think, has paid you for a good start. So Shivani,
Thanks,
any
ma'am. Thanks a lot. I mean,
yeah, yeah, please continue.
yeah, yeah. I mean, I really feel because you have been there. Like even if we are studying, and if you think that we are not giving 100% or something like that, you have always been there to push us, which really brings out the best in us, which is important because sometimes when you're reading, maybe the monotonous study or the pattern becomes boring, but you have made sure that those lectures be interesting, and our interest is made throughout.
Great, great, awesome. So Shivani, any message you want to give to other law students who are still struggling? So what will be your tips or advice to other law students?
Well, on personal note, if it comes down to my personal experience, I would say this platform is really helpful
Mm-hmm.
because maybe you might have the skill as well, but
Mm-hmm.
when it comes down to interviews especially,
Mm-hmm.
you really need some amount of preparation.
Mm-hmm.
So that preparation on initial stage, being a fresher, you don't know.
Mm-hmm.
So I really encourage everybody out there to get this exposure, because the sort of learning you get through here, and really good amount of support through the interviews. I mean, I was selected for one company,
Mm-hmm.
and it was because I was very nicely prepared by you for the interview that I went through with one company only, with one go. So I really help. I mean, I feel this help is much and the most required for every law student also, if they
Great.
are choosing this
Mhm.
career.
Great, awesome, Shivani. We at here, our whole team at Delhi is super proud of you and all our best wishes to you for your future career. And thank you so much for taking out time. I know you must be exhausted from your day, so I will not take much of your time today.
No, ma'am, it was really nice again having you on a video call. I mean, I miss you throughout the lectures, but after such a long time, having a conversation with you was amazing, and throughout my time in IIPTA was absolutely tremendous. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Shivani, and we wish you all the very best. And we have a alumni association with us in which we have more professionals and most are our past alumni. So surely we will be connecting you to them, and it's a journey, and it is just a start.
Right, right.
Thank you so much.
Thanks,
Have a
ma'am.
night.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
You too. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take
Bye
care.
bye.